Okay, so I think my camera's a little blurry, sorry. Oh no, hold on. Alright, so we're gonna start from the most important part. Well, I wouldn't say the most important part, but this is my nail area, okay guys? So this is my little nail station, my table. Sorry, I have a cold. So over here is all my nail brushes and stuff. Still the same thing from my other channel, but I'm gonna be getting a bunch of different things. I decided to put this towel down for now because my kids are always over here somehow messing with stuff, and my wood is starting to peel a little bit. So I'm gonna have to get something to keep this covered, but something that I can still disinfect. This has to get cleaned. I was doing my nails yesterday, so I have to clean that out because it has like acetone and stuff in it. So right here is my little basket. I got it from the dollar store. Okay, and all of this stuff that you see, well, not all of it, but this stuff right here, this came from my school when I first started school. So I got that from school. These two things, this is my acetone and this is my non-acetone. I got these from Walmart. I think this one was like $1.84 maybe. This was like $1 or something. I don't know, but they're the push things, so you lift it and you can put the cotton ball, push it, you know, so you don't have to pour it like that. And the same for this one. And it has a lock on it, so I can lock it so my kids don't, you know, mess with that stuff. And then I have my cuticle oil, which I love it. It's pure ice. I got this from Walmart. It was like $1 something, I believe. Yeah, and my nail dehydrator, my adhesion. I keep my base coat in here too sometimes, just so I have it for when I'm doing the nails. And then I usually have my clear in there, but I put it up for a minute because I didn't want to over clutter this thing, which is already cluttered with my anti-soap, so people can wash their hands and stuff. So we're gonna come around, and my fan. I don't have the duster fan like that goes in the middle, or you can put on there. I have to get one, which I might be getting that this weekend. My fan to have them dry their nails and stuff. My lamp, which I love this lamp. My kids drew on it. As I say, I can't never have anything good. Alright, so this is just my temporary chair that I use. I'm going to move it out the way. So sick. Okay, so over here on this wall is stuff that my children made me for Mother's Day. And then Mari made these things from school. I think she said her friend made that one, but she made this one, and that one. Nova Messiah's babysitter made these two for me for Mother's Day, and then they did the little the flowers. So cute. I love it. So down here is my trash can. And then over here is my electric drill. I got my bits right here. And then I have plenty of these bits, which are in my drawer. I have my cotton things, and then my, can't talk today. My alcohol pads and my disinfectant wipes are down there. And everything's, I'm sorry, it's not organized today. Alright, so chair for whenever I want to do nails or anything like that. I do that. I do it for fun. Down there is my pedicure foot bath. In here, everything's not organized yet, guys, so just bear with me. I have to get a bunch of storage things for papers and just stuff. This whole, let me show you. This whole area from here to here is going to be my area. So I'm probably thinking about maybe closing it in somehow. Like get one of those little things so the kids can stay out of it. I don't know. But this whole area, I want to block it off somehow, but I don't know how I'm going to do it yet because we're not going to live, we're not staying here permanently. We'll be moving eventually. But so down here, Like, my daughter, she got her stuff mixed in with my stuff right now. This is not mine. But, I have the magazines in here. My grandma gives me magazines all the time. Here's my drill box. I just kept it so, like, if whenever I do move, I'll go ahead and, you know, put it back in here so it doesn't get messed up. This is for, I didn't get it yet, but when I get some more barbicide, because I don't do nails like that, I get more barbicide for that, because barbicide is actually good to use for a lot of things. This is just a bin that has a bunch of stuff in it, like my paperwork and stuff. Like I said, I have to get storage for that. One of my hand mannequins I did, my kids broke a nail. That's why you have to have your area closed in so your kids don't get to it. They're always on my station area messing with stuff. It gets dusty, it gets dirty, everything. Have all my nail colors. Now this right here is an update. This is crooked. This is an update. Hold on, sorry. It's crooked. Oh wow. This is an update of what I did. If you're following my nail channel, you've seen these already. But that's one of those. I have to redo those anyway because they broke a nail. And then on top of that, it's time to show out a new design, new model, new style. I got this green little thing from Walmart. It was like 88 cents. I'm going to start racking up on a bunch of those. But these are most of my colors that I have, and I just decided to do it like that so I can know, like, the color, how it looks, how to find it, and all that stuff. I have to get more organized. So up here is some more of the colors. I made this, so don't mind it. It looks ratchet, I know. Then up here is my certificate on how many hours and stuff I did and where I did it and stuff like that. This is my little tote, which I broke this. It's weird. I broke it though. So all my clear polishes and stuff are in here. My gels and my, this is a gel base. I haven't used this one because I heard that it's sticky. So I just have it just because I need to get a UV light. I have pens and stuff in there just so I can, you know, when I'm doing my marbleizing. My daughter has a lipstick in here. She feels like the kids can't reach it, her brother and sister. This is my lotion, which is just cocoa butter, which I gotta rewrite on that and fix that. Cuticle cream remover. And usually when I'm empty on things, I put them down in my other drawer, so that has to come out because I need to restock on that. Just polish remover, more cuticle cream, cuticle oil, my primers, and all that stuff is in there. This is another set. If you're following, like I said, my Instagram or even my Facebook, these are on there. Yeah, those are on there. So now we're going to go to the first drawer. I should probably put this in there. Okay, guys, so this is my first drawer. I didn't want to fully pull it out. This has all my nail polish and stuff in it, and my paints for what I'm doing, designs and stuff, just practicing. I do have a lot of stuff, and I just haven't had the time to organize things because I've been so busy. Those who are following, subscribe to my other channel, they know that I'm a mother, and I just am always busy. So I haven't had a chance. My newest polish that I got not today, but over the weekend was this one, which is my daughter's, but she was like, Mom, you can use it for your nails. So if she ever wants that done. And then, where is that one? Oh, and then this one I got from my friend. Those are the only 2 new ones so far, but I have all these polishes in here. They're not organized and color, coordinated, but I'll get that done eventually. This is what I use for my paint and stuff. But I got my rhinestones. I gotta get some more of those rhinestones. Oh, jewels and stuff. And I still haven't had a chance to do these, but when I do, I'm going to show y'all what I'm gonna do. But I'm just right at the moment, I haven't done anything with them. But they're gonna be color coordinated with the number on them, so I can know which one is which. So I have to get like little sticky paper thing to wrap around the nail polish with the number like an A and B, you know, stuff like that. So I can know which one to look for and all of that stuff, make it easier for me. And over here is a bunch of my hand sanitizers. My daughter is obsessed with hand sanitizer, so she gives me hand sanitizer. I don't know what that's doing over there, but that's supposed to be in here. But like I said, nothing's organized. I don't even know where this paper came from. Nothing's organized. Alright guys, so over here is just my fingernail files, my buffers, natural nail files, called emery boards, forms, acrylics, all in this basket right here. So I have plenty of them. This is my favorite one. And the bottom liquid, I got that from Sally's. My nail brushes, little things so I can mix up stuff, because you're not supposed to touch anything. So if I do like acrylic with glitter and stuff like that. And here's my dapping dishes, just extra empty bottles. Some of them are empty. My nail glues. I had to sit down for this. Alright, so in here, so unorganized. It's really unorganized. But in here are all my nail tips that I have. My pedicure stuff, my bits. My implements are in there. The foot things. I don't do any pedicures like that. But is this dust? It's getting dusty in there, but this is all my stuff. All of that, my gloves in there. In this drawer right here, guys, this is probably like the fun drawer. But I have cotton balls and stuff in here, a whole bag of cotton balls, just in case I run out from over there. Empty bottles means I just put them in here so I know, like, okay, I need to get this, I need to get that. Little bags, some more alcohol pads. My Neosporin, that's for my daughter. I just put it in here. When I run out of stuff, it goes in here. First aid, everything. This is an empty box. I don't know what to do with that yet. This is some more pedicure stuff. So when I do run out, which I know I'm not going to run out just yet. But I got hand sanitizers in here. I'm set. I'm set. I have a bunch of this stuff, like sprays. And this is my sanitizer or whatever. Yeah, but I have a lot of stuff. These are a grab-and-go bag. And then it has the little containers in it. I've used one already for my lotions. So what I'll probably do is use these for like lotions too. Like if you don't like cocoa butter, I'll probably put some more stuff in there. I don't know. But I like cocoa butter. It's like my favorite. And in this bottom the last drawer, these are my towels, which I got the towels from Walmart. They were 97 cents. The white ones were. I don't know about the other color ones, but I want to get some color ones too. So I'm probably going to get those too. I have 2 finger bowls, a white and a black one. Got those from school. I don't know what else I'm going to put in here besides like the towels and stuff. I also have this one, but this has my kids' arts and crafts stuff in it, which that's probably the reason why they're always over here. But I do have 2 empty ones that I can still use. So I'm probably going to put towels and stuff in these 2. And then that's it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this video a big thumbs up. See you guys soon.